Hello, and welcome to House Luxe Estate, your trusted guide for a luxurious lifestyle on a budget. Here, we unravel the secrets of living grandly without breaking the bank. From home decor to fashion, we cover it all, providing you with practical tips and tricks. Our mission is to help you navigate the world of luxury in an affordable way. Today, we delve into the world of fashion, exploring 10 ways to look expensive without spending a fortune. Our first tip is to invest in timeless pieces. This strategy is all about quality over quantity. It's about choosing items that are classic, versatile, and well-made. These are pieces that transcend fashion trends that remain stylish year after year. Think of a crisp white shirt, a little black dress, a well-fitted blazer, or a pair of dark denim jeans. These items may cost a bit more upfront, but they pay for themselves over time. They are the foundation of your wardrobe, the pieces that you can always rely on no matter the occasion. You can mix and match them to create a variety of looks, from casual to formal. Investing in timeless pieces also means choosing items that are made to last. Look for high-quality materials and solid construction. And don't forget to take good care of these items so they can serve you well for years to come. Remember, it's not about having a lot of clothes, but about having the right ones. Secondly, always pay attention to the fit. It's not just about the label or brand, the cost, or even the style of your clothes. One of the most critical factors in looking expensive is how well your clothes fit. A well-fitted garment, regardless of its price tag, can instantly elevate your look, making you appear more polished and sophisticated. Think about it this way. When clothes fit you perfectly, they look as if they've been custom-made for you, which gives off an air of exclusivity and luxury. It's about highlighting your best features and ensuring comfort. So whether it's a pair of jeans, a blouse, or a dress, make sure it fits you like a glove. And remember, a trip to the tailor isn't necessarily a splurge. It's an investment in your style. A well-tailored piece can make even a budget item look high-end. So make fit your fashion priority. It's an easy, affordable way to look expensive without breaking the bank. Next up, choose neutrals. Neutral colors are the secret weapons of the fashion world. They're like the chameleons of your wardrobe, blending seamlessly into any style situation. Think of colors like black, white, beige, and gray. These tones are timeless, sophisticated, and incredibly versatile. The beauty of neutrals is that they're the perfect foundation for any outfit. They allow you to build a look that's both chic and expensive looking without breaking the bank. Plus, they're incredibly forgiving when it comes to matching. You can pair neutrals with other neutrals, with bold colors, or even with patterns. The possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about the elegance of neutral colors. There's a reason why the most iconic fashion houses in the world often stick to a neutral palette. It exudes a sense of understated luxury that's hard to replicate. So remember, neutrals can be easily mixed and matched, giving you more outfit options without buying more clothes. Tip number 4, take good care of your clothes. In the realm of fashion, longevity is a sign of luxury. And that longevity comes from proper care. Let's start with laundry. It's tempting to toss everything into the machine and hope for the best, but each garment has its own needs. Delicate items might need a gentle cycle or hand washing. Use a good quality detergent and avoid overloading the machine. Next, consider storage. An overstuffed closet can wrinkle and damage your clothes. Give your items space to breathe and consider using fabric-friendly hangers. And remember, some pieces like heavy coats or dresses might be better off stored flat. Finally, don't neglect minor repairs. A loose button or a small tear can make even the most expensive item look shabby. Learning basic repairs can save your clothes and your wallet. Taking care of your clothes helps them maintain their quality and look expensive for longer. Fifth on our list, accessorize wisely. Accessories are like the icing on the cake. They can elevate a simple outfit into something that looks chic and expensive. However, it's not about piling on as many accessories as you can. The trick is to choose wisely. Think of accessories as the exclamation point to your outfit. They should enhance, not overpower. Opt for classic, timeless pieces that can go with almost anything. A string of pearls, a gold locket, a sleek leather belt, or a pair of diamond studs can add a touch of elegance to your look. Also, don't forget about your shoes and bags. A well-crafted leather bag or a pair of polished shoes can instantly make your outfit look more expensive. But remember, quality over quantity. It's better to have one or two high-quality accessories than a pile of cheap ones. Lastly, be mindful of balance. If your outfit is bold and busy, keep your accessories minimal and vice versa. Remember, less is more when it comes to accessories. Our sixth tip, choose quality fabrics. It's a little-known secret that the fabric of your clothes can make or break your entire look. Let's paint a picture here. Imagine two dresses cut in the same design. One is made from a high-end silk blend, the other from a cheaper synthetic fabric. Even without touching them, you can tell which one screams luxury. The quality fabric drapes better, it moves with grace, and it has that certain sheen that cheaper materials just can't replicate. But it's not just about aesthetics. Quality fabrics are typically more durable and comfortable. They resist pilling, hold their shape, and importantly, they breathe. So when it comes to your wardrobe, think beyond the design. Pay attention to the fabric tag too. Opt for natural materials like silk, wool, or cotton. Remember, a high-quality fabric can elevate an ordinary outfit to extraordinary. Quality fabrics not only look better, but they also last longer. Seventh on our list, keep it simple. The elegance of simplicity cannot be overstated. In a world that often values the loud and the extravagant, the simple and the understated often hold a unique sense of allure. Simplicity in fashion is about choosing pieces that are timeless, versatile, and free from unnecessary embellishments. It's about letting the quality of your clothing speak for itself, rather than relying on flashy logos or trendy patterns. A simple outfit, carefully curated, can exude a level of sophistication and elegance that is hard to match. Think of a classic little black dress or a crisp white shirt paired with well-fitted jeans. These pieces may be simple, but they're anything but basic. They're versatile, they're timeless, and above all, they give off an air of effortless elegance that can make your outfit look far more expensive than it actually is. Remember, when it comes to fashion, less is often more. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Eighth, pay attention to details. The thing about looking expensive is that it's not always about the big flashy items. Sometimes it's the minor details that can truly elevate your look. These little things, while seemingly insignificant, can make or break your overall appearance. Let's start with shoes. Clean, well-polished shoes can instantly make your outfit look more put together. Whether you're wearing a pair of sneakers or high heels, make sure they're always in good condition. Next are your nails. Neat, well-groomed nails are a sign of good hygiene and attention to detail. You don't need to always have a manicure, but make sure your nails are clean and trimmed. Lastly, ironed clothes. Wrinkled clothes can make even the most expensive outfit look cheap, so take the extra time to iron your clothes. It's a small effort that can have a huge impact on your look. Little details make a big difference. Ninth, remember that confidence is key. No matter the outfit, the fabric, or the accessories, nothing can replace the allure of self-assuredness. Confidence is that secret ingredient that elevates any ensemble, making it look like $1,000,000, even if it didn't cost nearly as much. It's about owning your style, embracing your choices, and strutting your stuff with grace and poise. It's about walking into a room and turning heads, not because of the brand names you're wearing, but because of the way you carry yourself. Confidence doesn't come with a price tag. It's not something you can buy off a rack. It comes from within, from knowing your worth and not being afraid to show it. So, the next time you're putting together an outfit, remember to wear it with the same level of assurance and self-belief that you would a high-end designer outfit. Wear your outfit with confidence, and you'll look expensive no matter the price tag. Finally, always dress for the occasion. It's the secret sauce to looking expensive without breaking the bank. Dressing appropriately for different events and situations is essential. It shows that you understand the etiquette and respect the occasion. Let's take a wedding, for instance. Showing up in jeans and a t-shirt, no matter how designer they may be, will not make you look expensive. Instead, it might make you seem out of place. A well-tailored suit or a well-fitted dress in a classic color, on the other hand, can make you stand out in all the right ways. Similarly, if you're heading to a casual brunch, a blazer may be overkill. Opt for a chic blouse and well-fitted jeans instead. The key is to be aware of the environment and to dress in a way that complements it. When you dress for the occasion, you always look put together and expensive. And there you have it, 10 ways to look expensive without breaking the bank. From investing in timeless pieces, paying attention to fit, choosing neutrals, caring for your clothes, accessorizing wisely, selecting quality fabrics, keeping it simple, paying attention to details, exuding confidence, to dressing for the occasion. All these play a part in creating that luxurious look without spending a fortune. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to House Luxe Estate for more tips on living a luxurious lifestyle on a budget.